One sunny day, Margo heard a magical tune floating through the air. She followed it through the trees and into a garden full of singing flowers. Margo carried a pot of special seeds, a gift for the flower girl who lived deep in the garden. Together, they planted them with love and laughter, and something beautiful began to grow. Along a glowing path, Margo met more forest friends. Benny the bear strummed his guitar, while Freddie the frog clapped to the rhythm. Their music filled the woods with joy. As the sun began to set, Margo found a tiny bunny near a giant sunflower. The music slowed, the garden glowed, and the day ended with a gentle smile. And so, Margot's adventure came to a peaceful close, but the melody of friendship would echo through the garden forever.